Hi guys, and welcome to my kind of first video in English. I really hope you guys enjoy it. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup routine, since have gotten some requests. I'm not going to say a lot, but at least 5, so I'm doing it. It's a really basic makeup routine, kind of natural but still really pretty. So yeah. Nice chain, red bone This is my skin without any makeup on, and I don't know if you can see, but I'm having kind of a breakout here and kind of all over my face because I was using a lot of niacinamide and I think my skin didn't take that very well. So yeah, I'm going to try and cover it up but still make it look natural, because I don't like the look of really heavy makeup on me. So let's start by prepping our skin. I always wear sunscreen. I don't care if it's winter, if it's summer, wear your sunscreen. I usually use this one. This is a really good one. It doesn't leave your skin white, it doesn't leave your skin oily, it's just really good. I'm not going to put any on today because like I'm not going out, I'm just doing makeup for a video, but this is a really good one. I like using this spray. This is like it's the Prime and Fine fixing spray from Catrice, and you can use this as a primer, as a fixing spray, or like during your makeup. I like it the most as a primer. I don't really like it as a fixing spray. So let's start off by so now that my skin is all prepped, I start by my eyebrows, and right now obviously I have bleached eyebrows, so I'm not really doing anything special. I'm just using a clear brow gel. This one is from Essence. I don't really think it's that good, honestly, but it's the only clear one I have, so you can't really tell the difference because again they're bleached, but I'll do something later that will like really help define them and make them look a lot better. But on normal days I'll just stick to concealer. So my favorite is this one from Catrice. It's the liquid camouflage high coverage concealer. I'll just put it like under my eyes and then on like my breakouts and everything. Right now my skin is like needing a lot of coverage. Then let's blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. And I'll start by like the rest of my face, and I'll leave the under eye concealer to dry up a bit. I decided to put a bit more on. I'm running out of concealer, so... Okay, so I ran out of battery on my camera, but we're back a few hours later. I literally have these two. They're super cheap, they're from Kiko. This is the Sculpting Touch Creamy Stick Contour and the Velvet Touch Creamy Stick Blush. I have the contour on 201 and the blush is 06. I really love them, but one thing that I learned is like don't put them directly on your skin. Take a brush. I always prefer a brush over a beauty blender, and you just like do this. Just follow like your cheekbone and you apply it like in upwards motions. So, and this is like easier so you can build up the color, and you have so much more control over like where you put it and everything. So this is so much better. Now moving on to blush. I'm taking the blush stick, and I'm not putting it directly on my face. I'm taking my blush brush and then put it on the highest point of my cheekbone. I like a lot of blush. Like, I did not used to be a blush girl, but now I love blush and I need to be almost sunburned by blush. So. And then I also like to put a little bit on my nose. Okay, now for nose contour, I actually put the contour stick directly because I feel like it gives me so much more control of what I'm doing. So I'll do like a little line, nose bridge, 2 lines actually. I do like a little V shape here, and I just do like this, and then here. Yeah, so yeah, I'm not the best person at nose contour. I'm just like still figuring out what works best for me, but the last thing I'm doing before powder is fixing up my eyebrows. Because they're blonde right now, I don't really need to fill them in, but I do like to define them, so I'll put a little bit of concealer on this brush and then I'll just go like this. Okay, so now moving on to powder. This is literally the best powder ever. It's the Banana Light baking powder from Revolution, and I love this. I tried this once for my friend, and then I had to buy it or else I couldn't like feel pretty with makeup on. So what I do is I take a lid, I put a little bit on it, beauty blender, and then just put it under my eyes. And again, because I have oily skin, I also like to put it here. I look so crazy, but now I'm going to start on the eyes. Okay, so now for the eyes, I like doing kind of a eyeliner but with eyeshadow. I use this brown eyeshadow from like a really old makeup palette, so I don't even know, at the corner of my eye, like right here, and I'll just draw a line. It can be messy, it doesn't really matter, because now we're taking a smaller fluffy brush with a bit of the same eyeshadow and we are blending it out. And also make sure you blend up to bring everything. And now I'm going to take off the powder. I start off by this one. Now I'm going to take a brown eyeliner. Mine is from Essence. It's the liquid ink from Essence. I'll take this one. Now you're taking your eyeliner and just drawing a little line right here. And I'm going to put eyeshadow here again. Okay, so this is the best I could do. I'll try and zoom it in so you guys can like see it. You know, it's not perfect, but... So just to finish off the eyes, I'm taking again the brown eyeliner and just drawing the inner corner. And I'm going to put on some mascara. This is the Lash Princess from Essence. And if you have TikTok, I'm sure you know about this mascara. It's so good and it's so cheap. Oh, actually, before my lashes, I'll do one extra step. So I'll get some rose water. This is literally 50 cents. And then I'll get my highlighter. This is from Catrice. Super cheap. And I'll put a little bit on the nose. Okay, now you can see it. Put it on the bridge of the nose. Yeah, so now I'm just going to put my mascara and then I'm going to do some fake freckles. So we're almost done, and the last step I'm going to take, like, this is a eyebrow gel, and I'll get some tweezers and I'll just put some freckles on my nose and then blend them out with my finger. Then I'm spraying the rose water again. And for my lips, I've been loving this specific lip combo. So this is the Kiko Milano, whatever, creamy color comfort lip liner on the color 320. And this is one of their lipsticks on the color Velvet Passion. And this is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please let me know down below. And yeah, I really hope you guys liked my first kind of video in English. And yeah, I'm super excited for what's coming. So yeah, and don't forget to follow me on my socials. I do fashion content on TikTok and Instagram, so you don't want to miss that. Bye!